Hey guys, it's Stephanie here from the Electrical Training Center in Copiague, New York. I'm here with Steve Bissinger from Rheem Manufacturing, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the field. But first, Steve, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
I'm a plumber support manager for Rheem. I'm actually a licensed master plumber. I've been in the industry for 40 years. I own my own business for 25 years. I've worked in residential and commercial heating, air conditioning, and plumbing. So I have a very diverse background in the field. My job as a plumber support manager is to work with different companies and do on-site training and support any contractors out there with our product, and we work in quite a few technical schools as well.
Can you tell us how Rheem Plumbing contributes to the HVAC and refrigeration field?
We're a little different than a lot of the other manufacturers. We actually provide on-site training to our contractors. We have 5 innovation learning centers, soon to be 6, one down in Mount Laurel, up in Connecticut, Texas, California, Toronto. We have training centers all over the U.S. where we invite contractors to come in and actually train with us on our products, and that is free of charge to them. They can come in and learn more about our cutting edge technology and all the different solutions that we offer.
Nice. Now, can you describe in detail some of the work that your company does?
In terms of the latest technologies that are out there, we're under pressure as a manufacturer to develop products that meet Department of Energy standards. And so we build products, we are ahead of the curve in that area in terms of our innovative culture that we have at Rheem, but we really know that to get these products out into the field and have a high degree of customer satisfaction, that we really need to work hard with contracting companies, making sure they understand our product, how to install it, how to service it, and all the different support mechanisms that we put in place to help them.
Can you tell us some of the key qualities that contractors that you deal with look for when hiring employees?
Yeah, I can tell you not only from perspective of the contractors I work with, but the fact that I was a business owner for 25 years. And one of the great things with the Electrical HVAC Training Center here in Copiague is that they really do prepare students for all aspects of this job. And a contractor is looking for somebody who has mechanical skills, a mechanical aptitude, that shows up on time, takes their job seriously, takes their education seriously, and wants to really have a career in our industry. And one of the great things about working with the instructors here is that they really drive home to the students not only just what they need to do the physical job, but how they need to interact with people and their communication skills as well.
Awesome. Can you tell us one of the biggest challenges you've had working in the field?
Yeah, the biggest challenge that we have today is the fact that the technology is changing rapidly, and we need to get our contractors up to speed on that. And in the past, the technologies that we've worked with, say 20 years ago, they're no longer products that are going to be available in the future, and contractors need to spend extra time educating themselves on these products. And the students here get exposure to all these products that we know are going to be in their future before they even actually get out into the field. So that's something that contractors are really looking for, and it's been a challenge for us to get contractors to see that they really do need to spend time on their education.
Can you describe a time where the industry has brought you joy, or a time where you felt rewarding working in the field?
Yeah, there's so many times. I wouldn't be able to tell you just one. I think being a contractor, you really, we were on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and supported our customers very quickly with solutions to their problems. And I think the best part about it, the satisfaction that you get from going into someone's home in the middle of the winter when they don't have any heat and fixing that heating system and seeing the relief on their face and knowing that you can fix that and that you did a good job. And in water heating, it's the same thing. People, they won't go, for a day without hot water. And so you really end up feeling like they treat you like Superman when you come in and you actually solve that problem for them. It's a great feeling.
Now, can you tell us some of the products that contribute to the HVAC and refrigeration field and how they prepare technicians?
Yeah, what we do is we work very hard with contractors at Rheem, and when we develop and build new products, we actually bring them into our labs with our R&D engineers, and we ask them that same question: what can we do to make this job easier for you? So a lot of our products are designed around the fact that contractors give us a lot of feedback on the product, so we're looking to make products that are going to be easy for contractors to work on, install, and fix. Many of them have their own self-diagnostic systems in them. So really we work very hard at that angle to provide them with the support that they need.
Why would you say this industry is so important?
I mean, it's your home. In my view, that's the most important thing that you have. You really need to maintain that first and foremost in your life. To live a stable, happy life, you need to have a home that functions properly. And the things that we do are essential. I mean, you have to have heating, you have to have cooling, you have to have plumbing and hot water. For many of our customers, these are medical things that they have to have. So our industry provides the most essential services to people, and you find that out when they don't have those services, how happy they are when they get it back.
Can you give our students one piece of knowledge about the field that they probably haven't learned in class?
I would say that, their education, not only here, but their future education is something that they really need to stay on top of. With the industry changing, and I do this in your classes, I recommend that they get trade magazines. These trade magazines are free. They have wonderful technical articles in them. They have articles on how to run their own businesses. And then the field of opportunities that's available to them, I get to come in and show them that, not only was I a contractor in the field, but I have a completely different career now as a technical instructor. And the opportunities that are available to them out in the field at various points in their life are much broader than what they know.
And is there any piece of advice that you can give to our students going into the field?
Yeah, I think, being a professional and projecting a professional image, that is very important to what they're going to be doing. And I didn't necessarily have that attitude when I was a kid, and I didn't really understand that. But I learned pretty quickly that, if I showed up every day dressed neatly and cleanly and I had a haircut and looked professional, people treated me more professionally. And I tell my guys, can't expect to be treated like a professional if you don't act like one.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Steve, for your interview.
Thank you.